Birthday celebration done the Texas Roadhouse way. Nandito kami ngayon sa Texas Roadhouse. Located lang sila dito sa 2 Meridian Tower, 26th Street, BGC, Taguig. Una sa lahat, ang ganda ng place. Super spacious, warm at cozy. Parang dadaling ka talaga sa Texas vibes with the rustic interiors and relaxed atmosphere. May pa-dance number din sila kaya very entertaining dito. Syempre start pa lang panalo na. May complimentary bread roll sila with honey cinnamon butter. Talagang bagong gawa kapag hinain sa inyo kaya mainit-init pa. At dahil birthday ko dito, birthday celebrant gets a free ice cream. Tapos ang pinaka-fun part, kakantahan ka nila habang nakaupo ka sa saddle. Umorder kami ng grilled shrimp and cucumber chops, fresh at perfect pang balance. Ito naman ang kanilang combo appetizer, buffalo wings, cheesy jalapeno bites at potato skins na may blue cheese at ranch. Ito naman yung kanilang Texan seafood platter. Meron siyang Texas fried fish, grilled shrimp, and fried calamari. Ito naman ang favorite ng lahat, ang St. Louis ribs platter, served with garlic rice, coleslaw at buttered corn. Smoky, flavorful, and full of the bone. Now let's talk about the stars of the table, the steaks. First, the ribeye with grilled shrimp. Sobrang juicy dahil sa natural fat niya, bawat bite punong-puno ng flavor. Perfectly grilled, malambot at may rich smoky taste talaga, naramdam mo agad. Next, the sirloin. Leaner pero still super tender, clean ang lasa at very beefy. Ito yung perfect kung gusto mo ng classic steak na balance ang texture at flavor. Ito yung high quality steaks na mapapawo ka talaga bawat slice. Favorite ko na itong sirloin nila kasi perfectly seasoned and grilled to perfection. O diba, napapasayaw na lang ako sa sarap. At ito rin yung pinaka-excited akong matry dito, ang kanilang loaded sweet potato. Ito yung baked sweet potato topped with melted butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and mini marshmallows. And for my refreshing drinks, itong strawberry mango. Texas Roadhouse truly delivers more than just a meal. It's an experience. A celebration filled with great food, great company, and an unforgettable memories.